Isaiah's end-time prophecy. 1. The immediate picture, global judgment. Isaiah 24:19-20 describes a worldwide collapse. Earth is utterly broken, moved exceedingly, reel to and fro like a drunkard. This is not a local judgment, it's cosmic in scope. It aligns directly with the catastrophic judgments in Revelation. Earthquakes and upheaval, Revelation 6:12-14. Islands and mountains moved, Revelation 16:20. This is what is commonly called the tribulation period, a time when God's judgment falls on a rebellious world system. 2. Two realms of judgment, verse 21. Isaiah 24:21 is crucial. The Lord shall punish the host of the high ones that are on high, and the kings of the earth upon the earth. This shows dual judgment. A. Host of the high ones, heavenly rebels. These are not human rulers. This phrase points to spiritual beings, the fallen angels who followed Lucifer. Compare Isaiah 14, Ezekiel 28. Supporting passages. Ephesians 6:12. Spiritual wickedness in high places. Revelation 12:7-9. Satan and his angels cast down. So Isaiah is prophesying that God will judge the unseen rulers behind the world system, not just human governments. B. Kings of the earth. These are human authorities, political leaders aligned with that rebellious system. This matches Revelation's beast system, where earthly rulers operate under satanic influence. Revelation 17-18. 3. Imprisonment of fallen angels. Verse 22. They shall be gathered as prisoners, shut up in the prison, after many days shall they be visited. This is extremely specific and lines up with multiple New Testament passages. 2 Peter 2:4. Angels cast into chains of darkness. Jude 1:6. Reserved in everlasting chains. Direct parallel in Revelation. Revelation 21-3. Satan is bound and imprisoned in the abyss for 1,000 years. This matches Isaiah's sequence: judgment, imprisonment, pit. After many days leads to later release/final judgment. That visitation after many days corresponds to Satan's brief release, Revelation 27-9, final judgment, Revelation 20:10. 4. The cosmic signs, verse 23. The moon shall be confounded and the sun ashamed. This mirrors Revelation 6:12, sun darkened, moon like blood. Matthew 24:29, same language from Jesus. These are end of tribulation signs just before Christ establishes his reign. 5. The outcome, the Lord reigns. The Lord shall reign in Mount Zion, gloriously. This is the transition into the millennial kingdom. Revelation 24-6. Christ reigns for 1,000 years. Earth moves from chaos to divine rule centered in Jerusalem. 6. Putting it all together, timeline. Isaiah 24 gives a compressed timeline that aligns with Revelation. Global upheaval, tribulation begins, intensifies. Judgment of both realms. Fallen angels, host of the high ones. Human rulers, kings of the earth. Imprisonment of Satan and fallen angels, the pit. Many days equals the millennial reign. Final release and judgment. Christ reigns openly from Zion. 7. Key insight. Isaiah reveals something foundational. Earthly corruption is driven by a higher, unseen rebellion. God's judgment is therefore not just political, it is cosmic. Revelation then fills in the mechanics. War in heaven, casting down of Satan, binding in the abyss, final destruction in the lake of fire.